Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about PCA's Hydrating Mask. Now, using a mask is one of the steps of a good skincare routine. A mask will blanket the skin, helping active ingredients to penetrate the skin and not to mention giving you time to relax. This is a lovely, rich, luxurious at-home hydrating mask containing a beautiful blend of soothing ingredients and botanicals that reduce irritation and infuse the skin with hydration while also improving the skin's barrier. This hydrating mask contains oat milk extract, which is high in essential fatty acids. Oat milk is an antioxidant that soothes and calms the skin and helps retain vital moisture. It also has Arnica montana flower extract and cucumber fruit extract, all which are all very calming and soothing agents, and panthenol and glycerin, which will help boost hydration. This lovely mask is suitable for all skin types, especially those with a sensitive skin. You would apply a thin, even layer over the whole face, your neck and your chest. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove your mask with warm water, pat dry and follow with your appropriate PCA moisturizer in the evening. Now, the hydrating mask works great with your Hydrolux Intensive Moisturizer as well. Now, just a tip, I use this mask regularly post-treatment when my skin is feeling dry and sensitive. At night after cleansing, I apply a generous amount all over my face and leave on overnight. The next morning, my skin feels fabulous, feels soft and very hydrated. If you would like to purchase the PCA Hydrating Mask, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Until next time, have a great day.